Certified digologist. Good morning. I am going on a permission search, but I want you to see one thing. Check out the temperature. That's right, 48 degrees. Man, but it's going to warm up quick. It'll be 64, 63 by noon. The search I'm going to this morning is a permission search. My wife gave my business card to somebody she met. My wife is a hairstylist, so she can make some good contacts, trust me. And this lady said I could do her house. Now, her house has been in the family. Her father was there before her. She'll know the history of it, and there's a good chance I'll find some relics and maybe some old coins, and all off of a permission search. So also she has 3 other properties I can check. Her daughter lives near the college, and I found a lot of some of my oldest coins near the college, so I can't wait to do that after the first of the year. And here we go. Stand by, and I'll see you on the first dig. Well, I just got here. This is the house I'm going to be checking out. Small front yard. We'll get to the backyard. I haven't even looked at that yet. But I noticed the curb. You can tell the curb on these old houses. I love it, man. This is what you should always look at. You see these old curbs like this, been pushed out by the tree. Kind of give you an idea on the age of the house. This is a beautiful neighborhood. First target of the morning, right here, is ringing up as a 25. Just a little bit more dirt out, see what we can get here. Oh, there it is. Looky there. It's a Lincoln, it's a memorial. You can see, not a wheat penny, but nevertheless, awesome find. So right next to the sidewalk, I thought for sure this was going to be something to use where they poured this sidewalk, but dug it out, and I can see right here, there's a penny. Right there, I can't. So I just want to show you, I've got my shovel, but I'm not using it to dig today. They've sold this house. I think there's 2 weeks they've got to be out, but I'm being very careful about these plugs. So check out the one I just did. You can see right here is the one I just pulled the penny from. Nice, clean cut, you really can't tell. Here's what I just dug. It looks like a zinc penny eaten to death. Look at this thing. Golly. Okay, for some of the people that may be new to the channel, I'm using a Equinox 800. I've got my little, I call it the sharpshooter coil. Go a little slower, methodical this morning, and I've just got here. I found 2 coins. I'm going back and forth. So I've got this gridded out. It's a small front yard, shouldn't take long. Okay, right up near this tree, I'm getting there's 29, 26, 28. I'll move around a little bit. Sometimes that signal will change. 29, 29, could be a quarter. Oh, let's see it. And it is a quarter. That's what I thought. Look at there. Big quarter up by this tree. Yeah, I know you can't hear this because I'm using the headphones this morning. Getting a penny. 25, well, it could be a dime. Right here, just a little wiggle, look at that, right there. Let's check it out. So we know it's right here. Whatever it is, it's a 25 on the equinox. So let's just pull it back a little bit. Still there. Still there. Oh, there it is. Look. So it is a penny. I thought it was a dime, but it's a penny. I can probably read that year. Let's take a look. 1968. Penny in the pocket. 26, 25. Here's a driveway, so I suspect maybe somebody parked a car, pulled the keys out, and there went the change flying a couple different times, because I think there's another hit in here somewhere. But right now, let's get this penny. Oh, there it is, right there. Flick the dirt up right here a little bit, and there it's popped right up. Let's check it out. Again, not real deep. Folks, I know gloves are important. You don't want to cut your fingers, but I hate them for this one reason right here, every time. Man, I can't tell you how many times I've dropped a coin or an object because it's just tough to fill with these gloves. You gotta look all over again. Guys, I am so excited. I just got into the backyard and got a tour. This goes back many, many years. Let me show you some of the areas I'm about to search. I won't even get done today. This is a lot, but check it out. The lady that's letting me check this property moved here in the 40s. Then it went back with her family way before that. It actually has a tie to Cypress Gardens, which is kind of cool. But look, in here, she remembers a clothesline. And then this railing they used to stack wood on for the fireplace. But look at these trees and this yard. It's just amazing. So we're gonna start searching. Hopefully we'll find something really cool. Let me show you this little waterfall. This is just breathtaking, honestly. Now it's not working, but the story goes that this is leftover landscape from Cypress Gardens. Now, there's a connection with the house, and that ended up here, and they built this gigantic waterfall. So I just can't wait to get going, folks. Look at it. It's just amazing. Here we go. I gotta go. First dig in the backyard, and it's going down deep already. What the heck is that? Huh. Strange looking. Maybe just a brass fitting or something off a water hose, maybe. I just popped a coin out of here. They got a phone call. Dropped the coin, so it looked, there it is right there. And it looks like that is old, whatever it is. I can't see that being a quarter. I just can't tell. That is an old, it's right next to this oak tree. There's the hole. So guys, I have no idea what this is. It's very old. You can see the green coming through on the copper. I just cannot wait to get home and get it cleaned up. I got to keep digging. So, first coolness find in the backyard. Okay, so the mystery coin has been figured out. I got it all cleaned up, and it was identified as a quarter. Just a quarter. But it took me a little bit. As I continued to metal detect, I noticed all these green pellets throughout the yard. And then after talking to the homeowner, of course, they have fertilized for a long, long time there. And that fertilizer had just, you know, was eating on those coins. And in fact, a lot of the coins I found had these little divots. And you can see, looking at that quarter close up there, look at all the little holes in it. So I thought I had me a really old coin or something foreign, but didn't work out. That to me looks like a bullet. Somebody been shooting in his backyard. I swallowed the bug. God, freaking gnat. It's an old piece of copper. With a penny, not an old one. Ooh, mosquitoes are getting on me. Tell you some weird digging, folks. This penny, a couple inches down, not real deep. God dang, is that a wheat penny? Oh, that looks like a wheat. Let me get in the light. This thing could be a wheat penny. Get out of these mosquitoes. Let's take a look. It looked a little different there. Got us a wheat penny, just a few inches down. Looks like 1950. I've got to say, if you ever have the opportunity to spend some time with a child metal detecting, show them what you're doing. Let them use the pinpointer. In this case, the homeowner's grandson was watching me, so I brought him over and he was all excited. And I explained about the pinpointer and I let him use it, and he found a couple of coins. I talked about covering your hole up. It's so very important. Take that opportunity. Don't lose it if you have a child around or at the beach. It will mean everything in the world to them. And after all, they are our future. Oh, I see it. I see it. Do you see it? Stick that. I can see a coin right there.
Yeah, I see it.
Yep. Look at there. Oh, there it is. See? Isn't that cool?
That is so cool.
Thank you. Oh, I do that all. You found it. I do that all the time. I'll find a coin and drop it, and then I'll look it again. So we're going to cover it up. All right, folks, it's a wrap. This is what I found today. Your typical junk, some nails, old piece of copper, and then a bullet. Yeah, look at there. Interesting find. A quarter, some pennies, and I found one wheat penny right here, 1950. And this, I have no idea what this is other than I know it's old. You can see the copper. I've got to get it cleaned up, and this is the find of the day. It's going to be very interesting to see what this is. And I just had a really good time, and this yard was just incredible. And I had a helper, and his name was here. Give me a high five, buddy. He was helping me dig, and he also has a metal detector. So we're going to do it again someday over at his house, and that'll be another video. Folks, thanks for following me on YouTube. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you on the next dig. You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. Being a cop was easy, and after 32 years, it was just second nature, folks. I loved every minute of it. It was ingrained in my soul. And you know what? I got lucky one day helping on a movie set as a police technical advisor, and that opened the door to some films. Check it out. To serve and portray. That's right, folks. I went from being a cop to acting. There I am with Willem Dafoe, the man. Yeah, it was a blast working on that film. In fact, this particular film was up for an Oscar nomination. And I got an opportunity once to work with Judd Nelson, Tom Arnold. There they are right there. And that opened the door for some TV series, playing a cop, a detective, you name it, even playing a priest one time. I also had an opportunity to work with Henry Cusick right there in the center, and folks, it just never stopped. For 12 years, I was acting and loved every minute of it, had a blast. Hope you enjoyed this COPTECH Vault story.